everyone, welcome back to MS Tutorial House. Today's video is all about pipe elbow with flanges. It's a very easy tutorial, but yet it is very useful in the industrial point of view, and it is a practical implementation of the sweep option in the Solidworks. So without wasting much time, let's begin with it. As per the drawing, first we will be creating this path. First, to start with, you need to click on File, then click on New, then click on Part Design, and then click on OK. And then before we start, I'll change the background of the interface. So from here, I'll change it first, make it plain white for the better visibility. After that, choose the plane of your choice. Right click on it, enter into 2D sketch. Now we have to draw the path for the sweep. So what we can do, click on line and then click on the origin, draw a vertical line, then move forward, then again reverse back to the original point. Then you can see the line is being converted into the arc, and then click anywhere, and later on we can provide the dimension and all. So I'm clicking here, then I'm moving my cursor into a horizontal line. Just click on it and now finish it by right click on it and click on select, or else you can do press escape from your keyboard. Now my path is ready. It's time to provide the dimension and make it constant. For that, if we just check in the drawing, we can see it is from the origin, it is 150. So make it 150. And here see, I got the relationship automatically, that is tangent relation. This arc is tangent with the line, and this with the vertical line and the horizontal line. See, both here also it's showing the tangency. So this arc is tangent with both the line, horizontal and vertical. Next, what you can do, if it is not there, then you have to provide the tangency relationship or manually. How to do that? Just click on the line and then click on the arc, and from here add the relation tangent. But for my case, it is not required. Automatically I got the tangency relationship while doing the arc. So now it's time to provide the dimension. Just click on the dimension and specify the diameter, how much it is. Okay, it is given radius 260. Accept it. Now from this end point to this origin, it is provided the value is 150. Both the side is 150. Now is completely constant. My path is completely constant, and it is not over constant, only it is constant. So I am okay with it. I am exit from the 2D sketch. So now it's time to do the profile, but I would like to request you, those who are absolute beginners, please do check my tutorial video on sweep base boss. I specifically created that video for the beginners only. So this is a practical example of a sweep base boss. So it is a very good practice of sweep base boss. So but to learn the command about sweep, please do check my tutorial. The link will be provided in description. So again, let's come back to the point. Now in SolidWorks sweep, if the profile is circular, then you do not have to create the profile separately. So here one option is there, that is for specifically designed for the circular profile. Just click on the circular profile. Now just click for the path. So this is my path, and here I need to specify the diameter. So how much is the diameter? Total diameter is, as per the drawing, 290 mm. Now use the thin features to create the inside hollow or inside hollow portion. For that, click on the thin features. Now you need to calculate how much the thickness will be. So for that, here see how to calculate that. The total OD, the OD means outer diameter, total OD is 290 minus ID means inside diameter 210 equal to how much? 80, and then divided by 2, then the thickness will be 40. Hope this is clear with you how to calculate the thickness of the hollow pipe. So here the thickness is 40 now, but thickness is toward inside, not the outside. So for to get the perfect result, just reverse it. That's it. So this is 290, and then this thickness is 40. Each side it is 40. Accept it. Hope this much is clear. Now check whether it is right or not. Just create a section and change the visibility. Make it normal. Correct? Click on evaluate, and from here measure it whether it is correct or not. I am selecting this option. Now I am checking from this point to this much point how much it is. See, it is correct, 290, and from this point to this point it is 40. So automatically the inside diameter or ID as it is given 210. So my inside diameter is correct. Still, if you want, you can check once again. So create measure from this point. Wait a minute. From this point to this point. See? No. I have clicked wrong way. This point to this point. Now see, it is correct. It's 210. Hope this much is clear, and my drawing is also perfectly alright. Next we have to do the front flange portion. So this is very easy. Just select the front face of the elbow pipe. I'll change the visual styling. Allow the shadow. No, I'll select this and go to sketch. Now I'll do one thing. I'll do it this face. Right click, go to sketch. It's fine. And see, I'll be drawing a center rectangle. And it is centered rectangle, and length and width is 360 by 360. 360 here, and this is also 360. 360. After that, I'll convert the outer diameter, and then I'll create little bit of offset, reverse direction. 2-3 mm is okay, and then accept. Why I am doing it? And wait 1 second. Before that, I'll convert this into construction, because see, this is a circular face, right, and this is a square face. So there is a possibility to get, if you zoom it, you might see there is a possibility of getting a hollow. Here you might able to see a gap between the two faces. So this is the best practice. First convert the OD and then convert into the construction, and then offset it 1 or 2 mm inside. Okay, hope it's clear with you, and then exit. Now, because see, this is a rectangular face and this is a circular face, so getting a gap is quite normal. So to avoid that, we are doing this way. Now just extrude it. Select the outer square, and then deselect the contour option. Now see, if you zoom it also, you will not able to see any gap. Now it's perfectly alright, and it is 50. The thickness is 50 and reverse direction. Now we'll check the section. See, it's perfectly alright. Okay, after that, here we have to provide some sorts of chamfer or fillet. It is chamfer because it is written C10, that means chamfer. And equal distance, click on distance and symmetrical and specify the chamfer distance, that is 10 mm, and accept it. See, now only one thing is remain, that is this drill. 4 drill holes are there and here fillets are there. So I'll click on fillets also. Click on the edge and see here option is there, select start loop 3 edges. So click on that. So I do not have to select one after another. So click on that and specify the fillet thickness. It is how much it is? It is R20. Okay, that means 20, and accept it. Now we have to do the drill hole, and this is a very easy practice for the beginners, and if you practice this one, you will learn the sweep command as well. This is again I'm telling, it is a practical implementation of the sweep based work. So let's back to the work. Select this face and go to sketch, and then click on center rectangle, and from the center draw a center rectangle. The dimension for the rectangle is 260 by 260. Yes, it is 260 by 260. Hope it is correct. And then accept it. Then make this rectangle, convert it into the construction. For that, select all the lines for the rectangle, and for the construction, click on the for the construction. Now draw the drill hole. Here 2 diameter is there. One is smaller circle, another is bigger circle. Bigger circle's diameter is 60, so provide it 60. And smaller circle diameter is 30, half of that. Accept it. Hope it is correct, and exit it. Next, click on extrude cut. First select the bigger circle, and next click on blind and specify the cut distance, that is 10 mm. Accept it. Then show the sketch. Just right click on it, click on the eye symbol, and the sketch will be visible. Now again click on the extrude cut, and now select the smaller circle and just choose the up to next. See, it will be cutting up to the next face. Next, after that we have to recreated it 4 times, but I'll do the repetition work by using here circular pattern. Now click on the show and on the view temporary axis. Okay, now here click on the circular pattern, and for the direction choose this temporary axis, and here choose both the cut, extrude cut 4 and extrude cut 3, both the cut, and accept it. See, now it's almost done, and same process we have to repeat for this face also. So if you think this tutorial is useful for you, then please do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will get back very soon with very useful content on Solidworks. So thank you for watching. I'll stop here today.